What is up, YouTube? This is gonna be a short video. I'm revealing the subs. They finally came in the mail, so about to show y'all what I'm using. For the people that's been here since day one on my channel, know that I had these subs before. These is what I started out with. But about to show y'all Scar audio again. Hold on, let me take them out the box real quick. Alright guys, here they go right here. I went with the SVR D215s. As y'all see, I do have a box. I'm gonna show y'all the box, or I can at least show y'all the specs of the box that I'm going to be running. I'll see if I can get a picture of the box, because I still have to make it and all that. I just designed it on subboxpro.com, but this the box right here that I got planned for it. It's built, where is it? It's built to be 6 cubic feet, 30 hertz. Port area is gonna be about 70 inches, and these right here is all my wood cuts. If y'all want to design a box like how I did on here, I went to subboxpro.com, and you can literally create your own box. And over here on the side, you just mess around. They got like, you can customize the subwoofer settings. You can go through with the settings with the box and then the port and everything. Get creative on this website. I use this all the time whenever I create a sub box, but this is what I plan on throwing it in right here. Here's all the specs on the side right here. It looks like Scar Audio changed up the box since the last time I ordered some Scar subs, because if I remember correctly, they used to have white and black boxes. Now they got gray boxes. But I'll unbox it for y'all real quick here, show y'all what I'm working with. Alright, got the box all cut open. See? Sticker, of course, with all Scar Audio products, they always come with stickers, so I got like tons of these just laying around. I might start giving them away, honestly. I got like a good, like, maybe like 10 of these sitting to the side. But there's that sheet on how you should build the box and all the other. This is basically the user manual for all the subs and the SVR line and all of that. But it's that piece of foam on top. And there's the 15 right there. Take out the plastic. Love the smell of brand new subs. I like that smell. But try to take this out. Oh, hold on. Let me try to get this out of here real quick. There it is out of the packaging. It's sitting out. Here's what the magnet looks like. Let me see if I could. That's the bottom of the magnet. But I had these before, man, and I love the way these sounded. I just thought to myself, I was like, I should just go back to the SVRs. And 15s, they're like the perfect sound. But the other reason why I went with 15s, because I was starting to get a little concerned with the amount of weight that was going to be in the trunk, especially with me having oversized wheels on that car and not a proper lift yet. I don't want to put too much weight back in to where the body starts to sag on the wheels. So these should be good enough to go back there, especially with the box that I'm designing to put in there. But it looks like, I'm not sure. I would have to probably go back to look at my old video, but this cone, it looks a little bit different. Like, I feel like it's shinier than the first set of SVRs that I ordered. But as y'all know, these are 800 watts RMS. Like, again, I got the dual 2 ohm version. These look like 8 gauge speaker terminals that's on here, which is good because I'm planning on running 8 gauge speaker wire for these. I plan on running nothing less than that, and I'm gonna run 14 gauge for all the other speakers. But this is what I got for now. They just came in the mail. Just wanted to record this and show you that I am getting stuff. Progress is going, but it's going slow. We're working on ordering the wood for me to start making the box for these soon. But I'm going to be starting on the console and the rear doors. It's going to be a whole lot of content coming a lot here soon. So stay tuned, stay tuned. But let me know what y'all think about the Scar Audio SVRs. I definitely like them because I had these before, but like I said, I know these things will definitely, they'll definitely pound. Especially, I'm going with the RP 2K again. The power these, like I had, no, I think I had an audio pipe 2K on these before. I don't think I got to play these on the RP 2K, but yeah, we're still going to get these powered by that. But this is all I have for now, guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.